Behind high-quality printing, every detail determines the final effect. Today, we bring you a revolutionary pigment additive, G565, an innovative product specially developed for water-based inks, which will change your perception of water-based inks. G565 is a highly efficient pigment additive with an emulsion-like appearance. It uses polyether siloxane polymer as its main ingredient and has a 100% active ingredient content, ensuring that every drop is used to its full potential. The unique water-soluble design enables G565 to disperse quickly in water. It is suitable for water-based inks, embossing inks, and analox inks. After use, it can improve the dispersibility and stability of inks while making the printing effect more delicate and uniform. Only a minimal amount is needed to produce significant results. Adding 0.05% to 0.1% to inks, or 0.1% to 0.5% in gravure printing, G565 can significantly improve ink performance, resulting in more uniform, clearer prints. Whether it is delicate gravure printing or complex embossing technology, G565 can meet your pursuit of excellent quality. G565 is available in 30 kilograms and 200 kilograms packages to meet the needs of customers of different sizes. The product should be stored in the original unopened container at a temperature range of +5°C to +40°C to ensure a stable shelf life of 6 months. Our G565 is based on rigorous experimental and technical research and development. For reference only, the actual effect may vary depending on user needs. It is an ideal choice for professional fields, helping your printing process to reach new heights. G565 is not only a pigment additive, but also an ideal choice for improving printing effects. Choose G565 to add impeccable quality to your products. High-quality products for outstanding printing. Contact us today to learn more.